Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to take those paper flowers we learned how to make in a previous video, and we're going to decorate it very simply with glitter. First, make your paper flower. Second, I have 2 sheets of scratch paper, construction paper, doesn't matter which type of paper you use, just as long as you protect your surface. Now I'm using some simple glue. What you want to do with this glue, you want to take it, oh, this is being a little stubborn. Take your glue and you want to just put it on one sheet of paper here. You're not going to need too much. I would prefer to drizzle it evenly, but wasn't that lucky this time. So here I have the glue. I'm going to take the paper and I'm just going to just spread it evenly as much as possible on the paper. Why I'm spreading it evenly is because all I want to do with my flower is just dab it in the glue. And you dab it very lightly, depending on where you want to put your glitter. So I'm just going around the little edge. You can see a little bit of glue is getting on the edge of the flower. The one thing about this process is that once you go one round with this and you do not have the effect you want, you can go again. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm done with this glue for right now, the time being. Now I'm using a very fine glitter. And this glitter is gold and silver mix. So I will sprinkle it on the second sheet of paper. And I'm going to take my flower that I just dipped in glue and I'm going to dab. No, and I'm not talking about the dab everybody's doing, but I'm just going to dab my flower in it. And as you can see, voila, I have a nice little ridge of gold and silver glitter on the edge of my flower. Now there's some parts here that didn't get any glitter, so I'll go back to step 1 like I said. Now I know where I want my glitter to be to complete the project. Dab it in the glue. Then I come back to my glitter and I dab it in the glitter. If you find yourself actually dabbing while I say this, leave a comment down below so I will have a good laugh at you. Anyway, and as you can see, there I have it fairly evened out. And that's it. That's simple. Now, once I've done with this, I'll sit it aside, let it dry. It's best to let it dry for, at the very minimum, an hour. And once it has dried, the glue will harden and your glitter edges will be perfectly firm. And once again, if you're using these flowers for decorations for an event, you're making a little corsage or some kind of accessory of some sort, this is a great way to do it. Very simple, and it will be very beautiful. So If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, put them down below. And if you want more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. Until next time.